What's up guys, quick video on how to install this 8 by 8 inch porcelain for your shower pan, your shower floor. Now this is considered large format shower pan tile. Now this stuff is supposed to resemble and mimic your hand painted cement tile, but this is porcelain, much more durable. It is fairly thin as well, under 3/8 of an inch thick. But in this video I'm going to show you how to cut and install to get your proper pitch and slope towards the drain, 1/4 inch per foot. It's very easy to do. We will be doing this on a prefabricated Schluter tray. Now there's two options to install this with as far as your drain grate goes. You can install it with a standard grate here. We will be installing with a Tileable drain, which gives it a much cleaner and modern look and hides the drain. Now your first step is to lay out your floral encaustic tile and find where you want your centerpiece to be for your drain. We chose this flower here. You simply trace out the grate, make your cuts. Just like this here. Here's our Tileable drain. It'll be installed there. And then we install these 4 pieces onto the Tileable drain. We then dry fit the entire shower pan with this floral encaustic tile. You simply make your marks with the corner of this drain grate here, the Tileable drain grate, all the way to the edge and corner of the shower. So you'll be making 4 marks from the corner to the corner of the shower pan. After you make your marks, you then proceed to cut on those marks, bevel both edges, and then install to obtain your proper pitch and slope. I'll show you how to do that right now. This is how you dry fit and make your marks. Now there's 2 different options for your drain grate. You have your metal grate here, or your Tileable grate, which hides the drain. And that looks much better. It hides the grate. You still get your proper drainage. Let's dry fit the rest of this tile, make our marks, make our cuts, and install. Very simple to do. Now we make our cuts for the right, left side. We draw our lines from the corner of this drain grate, running through this tip and through that tip, all the way through this tip. We are not going to run it to this corner. It'll land about here for our grout joint to help with the proper pitch and slope. Here we go. Now we snap our lines again from that corner to this corner here.